your ball. There's your ball. Ah, I got the ball. Your big ball's ready. There he goes. Chase a ball in a tropical storm. We run it back. Cause we fast crazy dog. Even in a tropical storm, we're fast crazy dogs. Yes, we are. Whew. Clouds are moving quick through, aren't they, Pitbull? Moving through quick. Let me give me the ball. I'm gonna want that ball. Let me have that ball right there. Let me have that ball. I'm gonna get that ball. I'm gonna get the ball. You better give me that ball. You better give it here. You better give me that ball. You better give it here. You better give me that ball, Pitbull. You better give me that ball. I'm gonna get that ball. You took my ball. You better bring it here, Pitbull. You better bring it here. I want that. I want that ball. You took my ball. You better bring me that ball, Pitbull. You better bring it here. You better bring me that ball, Pitbull. I'm gonna get the ball. Oh, your goodness, you talking so hateful. Sustained winds of about 25, 40 miles an hour. We got some gusts that are hitting 45, 50. The clock went about 55, and coming home a while ago from the office, we saw where a tornado had touched down, but these are going pretty good now. That's a good one. Probably about 40, 35, 40 mile an hour gust. I rearranged some limbs. I don't think it's going to rearrange any roofs or anything. So. Nasty day. But I'm glad we've been having this kind of weather because we're getting a lot of rain, which is something we really needed. That tree is really moving. And so is the Pitbull. Pitbull, let's go in the house. Let's go in the house. You wigging your tail. Let's go in the house. Come on. Come on. Where we at? Where'd you go? Alright, come on in the house. Whew. What do we do? Get all wet and nasty up on the couches. That's what we do.